Hello, dear students. You're welcome to RK Institute. I am Dr. RK Saini, and today I am going to discuss 10 more questions regarding to liquid solution. As you know, I keep posting 10 important questions on a topic from my channel. Today, I am also posting 10 questions, 10 important questions regarding to liquid solution. As you know, liquid solution is important topic regarding to your JEE as well as NEET examination, or we can say in your board examination. First, we discuss 10 questions and their basic concept. I think these questions help to you improve your chemistry as well as basic concept regarding to chemistry. If you have any problem regarding to chemistry, you directly contact to me. Question number first. Question first. First, we read question carefully and then noted given data and then solve the problem. Very easy. For example, question first. Vapor pressure of 30% weight by volume. Aqueous solution of glucose is mmHg at 25 degrees centigrade. The density of solution of 30% weight by weight solution given 1.2 gram per ml. Vapor pressure of water given and molar mass given. First of all, our aim is vapor pressure of aqueous solution of glucose. To find vapor pressure of aqueous solution of glucose, we know that according to Raoult's law, vapor pressure of solution is directly proportional to mole fraction of volatile component. Volatile component is aqueous, means water, because the glucose is non-volatile or non-electrolyte solute. Therefore, PS, vapor pressure of solution, is directly proportional to mole fraction of solvent, or we can say PS equals to P node into XA, where P node is vapor pressure of solvent. Vapor pressure of solvent given 24 mmHg, and this is the mole fraction of solvent. Mole fraction of solvent. The total mass of solute, total weight of solution is 30%, means 30 gram. 30 gram glucose present in 100 ml of the solution and the density given 1.2. Therefore, total weight of solution is 120. Subtracting the weight of glucose, and hence the total weight of solvent is 90 gram. Divide by 18. Therefore, the moles of water are 5. And hence 24 moles. Fraction means moles of water 5 upon total moles. Total moles water 5 moles of water and 30 gram of glucose divided by 180, and their moles is 1.6. And hence we find vapor pressure of the solution. Take your answer, nearly 23. Next. Question number second. Very important question. Freezing point of 4%. Freezing point of 4% aqueous solution of non-volatile solute A is equal to the freezing point of 10% aqueous solution of non-volatile solute A. Molecular weight of A is 60. Then find molar mass of B. First of all, the freezing point is equal. It means depression in freezing point is also equal of solution A as well as solution B. The solvent is same. Therefore, their molality is equal. The molality of A equals to molality of B, and the molality means 4 gram moles of A in 1 kg and moles of B in T. 4 gram of A and their molar mass given 60. Present in 96 gram of solvent. 96 gram. It means 4% means 4 gram of A in 100 gram of solution. Therefore, the weight of solvent is 96 and molality. And in another question, weight of B given 10%, means 10 gram B and their molar mass is B, present in 100 gram of solution. Therefore, the weight of solvent is 90. And then we shall solve this equation and find molar mass of B. Once again, 4% means 4 gram solute A present in 100 gram of solution. It means the weight of solvent is 96 grams. Similarly, 10% means 10 gram of solute B present in 100 gram of the solution. Therefore, the weight of solvent is 90. And then, now solve the equation and find molar mass of B. Answer A. Check. Please check the question. Question third. First, we read question and then indicate and then write given data and then find the problem. For dilute solution, 2.5 gram of non-volatile non-electrolyte solute in 100 gram of water. The elevation in boiling point at 1 atm pressure is 2 degrees centigrade. Assume concentration of solute is much lower than the concentration of solvent. The vapor pressure mmHg of solution. फिर वापस we find vapor pressure of solution. For dilute solution, we use Raoult's law. P node minus PS upon P node equals to weight of solute upon their molar mass, weight of solvent upon their molar mass, weight of solvent upon their molar mass. Putting the value, P node given 1 atm. 1 atm means 760. PS, we find PS divided by 760 equals to given weight of solute 2.5 gram. Their molar mass is MB and this solute dissolved in 100 gram of water and their molar mass is 18. Equation number 1. Similarly, boiling point, elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point equals to Kb into M. Putting the value, delta Tb given 2 degrees centigrade. Kb given 0.76 and also find molality. 2.5 gram non-volatile solute, its molar mass is Mb, dissolved in 100 gram of solvent and we taken in 1 kg. Equation number 2. Now, equation 1 divided by equation 2. Very easy. The common datas are cancelled to each other and as P node and as 760 minus PS vapor pressure of solution upon 760 divided by equation second divided by 2 equals to common factors, common data are cancelled to each other. This value cancel this. Therefore, 18 upon 100 and then in this 0.76 into 0.76 into 1000 divided by 100 and then we find PS. Very easy, very easy, very easy. Answer A. Calculate the given value and find actual vapor pressure. Benzene and naphthalene form the ideal solution at room temperature. For this process, incorrect statement. Delta G positive. We know that when spontaneous process or reaction, then delta G should be negative. Therefore, the formation of ideal solution is an spontaneous process. Therefore, delta G is negative. Delta G negative for all kind of solution like as negative deviation, like as positive deviation, even ideal solution, because the mixing of liquid is an spontaneous process and for spontaneous process we know that delta G negative. Therefore, it is incorrect. Entropy of the system is positive. Entropy is the randomness. When liquid A and liquid B are mixed to each other, entropy always increase. Either solution make ideal or show negative positive deviation. For example, so particle A, liquid A and particle B means liquid B. When we stop cork, then liquid solutions, then they make liquid solution. The solution may be Ideal may be positive, may be negative. The randomness of the solution is increased in case of separated liquid. Therefore, the delta S always increase during the formation of solution, may be ideal, positive, negative. The delta V, change in volume is 0 because similar type of interaction in an ideal solution. Therefore, no volume increase, decrease. Enthalpy change is also 0 because interaction forces between particles is similar like as in pure form. Therefore, no change in their enthalpy, and hence first option is incorrect. Question number 5. Vapor pressure of acetone as 25 degrees centigrade is 185 torr. 1.2 gram non-volatile substance dissolved in 100 gram of acetone. Its vapor pressure is 183 torr. Find molar mass of the substance. Therefore, we also use modified to find actual molecular weight of the solid. We use modified equation of the Raoult's law. And the modified equation is P naught minus PS upon PS equals to weight of solute upon molar mass of solute, weight of solvent, molar mass of solvent. In given question, P naught 185, PS 183 divided by PS 183, given weight of solute is 1.2 gram. We find their molar mass MB. Weight of solvent means acetone is 100 gram, and the molar mass of acetone is 58. And then we find molecular weight. Very easy. Nearly 64, 63.65 के आसपास आता है. Therefore, the answer is C. Question number 6. Question 6. 18 gram glucose added in 178.2 gram of water. Vapor pressure of water for this solution means vapor pressure of this solution, not water. For this solution means vapor pressure of solution. We use Raoult's law, and the vapor pressure of solution is directly proportional mole fraction of volatile component. Volatile component means solvent. And hence vapor pressure of solution equals to P naught A into XA, where P naught is the vapor pressure of water. If nothing is given, the vapor pressure of water taken to be 180 m means 760 torr. 760 torr or 760 mmSc. And the mole fraction of solvent is water. Therefore, their moles of water 178.2 divided by their molar mass, and this value is 9.9, and the moles of glucose 18 upon 180 equals to 0.1, and hence mole fraction of solvent is moles of solvent 9.9 and total moles are 10. Therefore, answer C option. Check. Please check the answer and calculate the given value. Question number 7. Question 7. Mixture does not showing positive deviation from the Raoult's law at this. Carbon tetrachloride and methanol. First of all, we write types of attraction forces in pure form. For example, CCl4. It is non-polar, therefore dispersion forces between the molecule. Methanol, in which hydrogen bonding present between the molecule in pure form. When these liquids are added to each other, then the hydrogen bonding is break up because they make homogeneous mixture, and when decreases attraction forces between the component in then their pure form, then the solution show positive deviation. Therefore, it is positive. Similarly, carbon disulfide and acetone. Carbon disulfide is also non-polar. Dispersion force is weakest force between molecule, and in case of acetone is a polar. First of all, we write attraction forces in pure form. Dipole interaction forces in pure form of acetone. When acetone mixed with carbon disulfide, then these forces are also disappear, become weaker, and hence so positive deviation. No dipole and not effective dipole attraction in this solution like in pure form of acetone. And when attraction forces become weaker in comparison to the pure form of the component, then the solution show positive deviation. And hence second solution is also show positive deviation. In example third, benzene and cyclohexane. Benzene is also non-polar. Therefore, dispersion forces, weak forces between the molecule, सबसे weakest force, dispersion और London forces in benzene and cyclohexanol make hydrogen bond with their molecules. For example, this oxygen and hydrogen bond present in cyclohexanol in pure form. When cyclohexanol mix with benzene, then hydrogen bond become disappear. Therefore, it means attraction forces decrease. Therefore, the solution is also so positive deviation. In case of phenol and aniline, very important combination. Phenol is an acidic. And aniline is a base, nitrogenous base. First of all, when acid base with any type of acid and base mix to each other, then neutralization takes place. And during the neutralization energy release, it means their mixing is an exothermic. And we know that the mixing of exothermic, then they show negative deviation. And another, phenol is an acidic, therefore it lost H plus ion. And aniline is basic, it gain H plus ion. And hence electrostatic force of attraction generate between both species. Therefore, it's so negative deviation. तो आंसर यही होगा, नॉट सो पॉजिटिव, इट मीन्स डी ऑप्शन, इट्स सो नेगेटिव डेविएशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन 8. Two liquid A and B form ideal solution. The vapor pressure, the solution 2 moles of A and 3 moles of B. At this, find vapor pressure of the solution. According to Raoult's law, we know that vapor pressure of solution is mole fraction. Vapor pressure of the solution is sum of the vapor pressure of component A and B. The vapor pressure of component is directly proportional to their mole fraction, and for proportionality constant is vapor pressure in their pure form. Therefore, vapor pressure of solution is P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. Putting the value, vapor pressure of A given 100 torr and its mole fraction 2/5. Its moles are 2 and total moles 3. Total mole 5. And the vapor pressure of B is 300 torr and their mole fraction 3/5. On solving the problem, this 40 plus 180 and hence total vapor pressure is 220 mmHg. Therefore, answer D. Check. Question 9. It is the conceptual question. Given value, solubility of common salt NaCl is 36 gram in 100 ml. It means 100 gram. It means only 36 gram common salt dissolved in 100 gram of water. It is the maximum solubility. Now, taken 3 containers. In which 50-50 gram water is there. In container first, 20 gram of common salt. Container second, 18 gram common salt. And in container third, 15 gram common salt is added. We know that the maximum solubility of common salt is 36 gram in 100 gram. It means 18 gram in 50 gram. Therefore, this 18 gram is completely soluble. But this 20 gram is not completely soluble. Only 18 gram soluble and 2 gram is like as in precipitate. Only 18 gram dissolve like as in container second and 15 gram is completely soluble. And we know that vapor pressure is inversely proportional. Vapor pressure is inversely proportional to number of solute particle. Solute particle in container first and second, number of solute particles are equal in solution and their value is greater than value of third solution. Therefore, the highest vapor pressure of solution third and the vapor pressure of solution first and second equal, and it is less than solution third because number of particles are higher. Vapor pressure is lower, non-volatile, and hence option D. Question number 10. Question 10. It is also conceptual question. Given temperature, the vapor pressure, total vapor pressure given of the mixture and A and B. Find vapor pressure of pure A and B. We know that according to Raoult's law, P total vapor pressure is the sum of the partial pressure of component A and B, and we know that partial pressure of component is directly proportional to their mole fraction. Therefore, P total equals to P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. According to given data, we find relation between P total and mole fraction of B. Therefore, this equation we write P naught A XA 1 minus XB plus P naught B into XB, and also write P naught A plus XB P naught B minus P naught A. This is the relation between P total and mole fraction of XB. See the given relation. P total equals to 120 plus 120 minus 75 XB. It means the P total P naught A is 120. Therefore, the vapor pressure of P naught A, A is 120 torr. Now putting the value. Or compare the equation first and second. This value equal to this value, and hence XB P naught B minus P naught A equals to minus 75 XB. Solve the solution. XB is cancelled and P naught B equals to minus 75 plus P naught A plus P naught A, and the P naught A is 120. P naught A is 120. Therefore, the P naught B is 45. Answer C. These are the questions regarding to solution, and their answers are also given. Okay. Thank you.